Hey everyone, Mimsy here. I'm going to do a tutorial on this Greek key pattern that I put on a body pillow. It's with dollar store grosgrain ribbon, so you'll need a couple spools of ribbon. So the first thing that you do is you iron on either some heat and bond or stitch witchery tape to the back of your ribbon, and that'll make the ribbon real stiff, and it makes it easier to work with and pin down onto your pillow or whatever it is you're putting this on, a curtain or whatever. So I left the paper backing on there because it makes the ribbon stiff, and that made it a little bit easier to work with. But the first thing I did is I sketched out my pattern, the Greek key pattern, on a piece of paper, and I put that next to my pillow so that I could follow that pattern. And then I did a little bit of measuring, but I mostly just eyeballed this from my paper pattern. And I I laid it out, folded it, and I used a flathead screwdriver actually to help me get crisp corners, because that held the ribbon down and helped me crease the corners real nicely. And then I pinned all the corners, just following the pattern that I had drawn onto my pillow cover with a pencil. So I did draw it onto my fabric lightly with a pencil, and then I just followed that pattern and pinned all the way around. Pinned the ribbon to the pillow front all the way around. And then this is just kind of an aside. I did I made a monogram with these Amy Howard monogram stencils. It's kind of like a screen print. They're really cool stencils. They're on a mesh backing, so you cut it out, and she's got this specific ink that you use that's just like a screen print type of ink, and the stencils have a mesh backing, so you use like a credit card or a squeegee type of, or a business card even, to squish the ink through the mesh backing, and that creates the pattern. And she's got a whole bunch of different patterns, not just monograms, but these are really awesome stencils. So anyway, that's just an aside from the Greek key pattern. And you'll see that I actually, I put it on a piece of fabric, and then I actually cut that out, and then I sewed it onto my pillow because I didn't want to mess up my whole pillow, because I'm new with those stencils. So anyway, here I'm showing how I'm sewing that on to the pillow. I just wanted to give you an idea of basically the speed at which I sew it on, and how long, to give you an idea of how long it would possibly take you to do a project like this. It's a pretty surprisingly fast project. I thought that figuring out the Greek key pattern was going to be a lot harder, but once I sketched it out on a piece of paper, it was really easy to transfer that design onto the fabric with the ribbon. And because the ribbon was stiff because of the heat and bond on the back of it, it made it really easy to pin it down. So anyway, here I'm just sewing it, and I used my blind hem foot that has that metal guide on the side of it, and I just ran that guide right down the side of my ribbon. When you get to a corner, make sure that you drop your needle into your material in order to turn that sharp corner. And it's as simple as that. The sewing part is really simple. So that's all there was to it. Oh, I guess I did neglect the ironing down. So when you iron it down onto your pillow, you just take the paper backing off a little bit at a time and iron it down, and then take it to the machine and sew it. So that's it. It's pretty simple. Check out the how to make a pillow tutorial next.